Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I will tell you about top 20 Indian rare animals. Number 20. Hangul, where they occur in Kashmir and Srinagar. Number 19. Pangolin, where they occur all India, West area, mountain world. Number 18. Tiger, where they occur South India, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh. Number 17. Lion-tailed macaque, where they occur only South India. Number 16. Dhole wild dog, where they occur South India, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand. Number 15. Dugong, where they occur South Indian Sea area, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Number 14. Asian rhino, where they occur Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. Number 13. Sangai, where they occur Manipur, Nagaland. Number 12. Asian lion, where they occur Gujarat. Number 11. Himalayan wolf, where they occur Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal. Number 10. Nilgiri tahr, where they occur South India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Number 9. Cheetah, where they occur Chhattisgarh, Korea. Number 8. Cheru, where they occur North Mountain area, Kashmir, India. Number 7. Snow leopard, where they occur Jammu, Kashmir. Number 6. Red panda, where they occur Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Number 5. Mishmi takin, where they occur Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Number 4. Fishing cat, where they occur river, canal, lake area. Number 3. Indian wild ass, where they occur Little Ran of Kutch, Gujarat. Number 2. Asian vulture, where they occur all India wild area. Number 1. Asian elephant, where they occur Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Orissa, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Growth of the World.